River needs to wear cowboy boots to look like a cowboy.
This is Grandma.
That's your grandma?
Yes, I'm Grandma today, apparently.
Who's your mom?
Mommy's at home.
What are you doing? You clapping those things
We
together?
live right next door from each other. Right across the street, actually.
I like that sound.
Right
You
across
live
the
on the
hall.
same mountain as me.
Yeah. We live on a mountain, apparently.
Yes. We're always living somewhere. Excuse me, girlie. Dancing with the ribbon?
I love this ribbon from Mexico.
Yeah?
This is my favorite ribbon
Why?
because it's my favorite color.
Hello. You had a fun time here?
Yes, it was very fun.
Good.
My mom.
It's very cold, though.
Yeah, it is chilly. Excuse me.
Got me some lip gloss to put on my lips. And
Are you sure Grandma didn't get it
strawberry. There's a strawberry on the front of the lid.
for you? Are you sure Grandma didn't get it for you?
Wait. Grandma did. Grandma came to my house the other day.
Tinted her lip gloss, and then she left.
River, stand up and walk to Mommy.
Take that.
River, come here. Come here. Come here.
Could you try this?
Stand up, come here.
Down
Stand up, River. Come here.
here. No. Just
River.
Is that too tight? You want to be able
River.
to get it off?
Yeah.
River. Come here, Ribby. Come on. Come here. You clapping?
Oh, I don't want it.